In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a private test stream using Restream without broadcasting it to your audience. This process is really great for ensuring everything is just right before you go live, allowing you to check your setup privately. You have two main pathways to do this, by using Restream Studio or an encoder like OBS. Let's take a closer look at each option. Starting with Restream Studio, it'll be your go-to for a straightforward approach. Begin by clicking the New Stream button, and from there, select Studio. Now when you're ready to start testing, don't just hit that Go Live button. Instead, click the arrow right next to it and choose Record Only. This clever little feature lets you test everything in the studio without broadcasting to everyone. It's like a sandbox environment, where you can play around with settings and see how everything holds up without the pressure of a live broadcast. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable using an external encoder like OBS, you can certainly do so. Start by clicking New Stream, and then choose Encoder, RTMP. You'll see a stream card pop up. Here's the important part. Make sure to toggle off your Twitch channel and any other platforms you normally stream to in this setup. Doing so means your video feed will run through Restream, but won't be publicly visible until you're ready. This setup is particularly useful if you want to test specific encoder settings or use custom overlays that you have set up in OBS or another encoder. Once you're set up in either Studio or with an encoder like OBS, it's time to start the feed. If you're using Studio, click Record. But if you're using OBS, you'll want to hit Start Streaming. At this point, you're recording internally, and it's time to closely monitor the preview of your stream. During this private test stream, pay attention to several key details. Check the clarity of your video to ensure it looks crisp and professional. Listen carefully to the audio levels. You want everything to be clear and balanced so that your voice and any other sounds come through without distortion or muddiness. Also, keep an eye out for any dropped frames, which might indicate a problem with your network connection or encoding settings. Make sure your network health looks solid. Reliable connectivity is crucial to maintain a smooth streaming experience. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with your setup, you have two options. You can either stop the test altogether if something needs adjusting, or, if you're ready, you can switch your destination channels back on in Restream. This will prepare you for the actual live stream, allowing you to go live with confidence. By following these steps, you're well on your way to perfecting your live streams without the risk of mishaps. Happy streaming!